Let me show you easy way to make a circle text in Photoshop. Go to the toolbar, right click and choose ellipse tool. Then go to the option bar and make sure that it's set to path, not shape. Then move your cursor right here and draw it. And as you see, it's already an oval. So how we make a perfect circle? We just need to press and hold shift and draw it like this. I'm gonna put it right here. Then press T, which is type tool shortcut. Then from the option bar, choose your font, size, and the color. I'm using this color. Press OK. Then immediately after that, move your cursor right here on the path. As you see, the cursor icon is changed. Now do a single click and write your own text. Press OK. Let me add some tips here, guys. You can customize this text directly in Properties panel, and if you are missing it, just go to the window and make sure to check Properties. You can change its size by moving your cursor here, decrease or increase, and as you see, it's changing. Also, you can adjust spacing by increase or decrease tracking like this, and make it completely customized. It's already an outer text, and how to make it an inner text. Just go to the toolbar. I am going to take my path selection, move your cursor right here. It's already changed, as you see. Do a single click and bring it bottom a bit, so you already have an inner circle text. You can also customize the path. If you go to the toolbar, take direct selection tool, move your cursor on the path, a single click, and you can change it just like this. And that's it for today. If you're new to Photoshop, make sure to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and peace out.